this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share your Wi-Fi password in your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. So simple tutorial guys, you have to unlock your phone. After unlocking your phone, you have to go to this option, setting. Go inside the setting. In setting, you'll see as this. You have to find this option of Wi-Fi. This probably number second you will have here. Go inside. So you will see the connected Wi-Fi you have. So how you can share your passwords to another person. Here at the corner you see some icon. Hit this one. After hitting, you will see all the data about the Wi-Fi here. Password part of Wi-Fi, you have to tap. When you tap, they will ask you your Face ID or password. You have to put that. After that, they give you two options: copy the password and speak. I hit copy. So I copy the password of my Wi-Fi. Now I want to send you. You go to any messenger. I go to WhatsApp. Here we go. And for example, here I will share to my another phone. I hit this one. And you have to put paste. Here we go. So when you put paste, you will see the Wi-Fi password there, and then you have to send. Very easy tutorial guys. So in this case, you can share or know as well your Wi-Fi password. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.